Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a vector store in OpenAI's dashboard and then have that hooked up to your PayMeGPT agent so that you can reference the uploaded files to the vector in its knowledge base. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Perfect. So as you can see here, we are in the platform.openai.com/chat. So this is the dashboard right here for OpenAI. Now, the first thing I want to do is turn over to where it says storage. I'm going to simply click on storage, and then where it says vector stores, I'm going to click here and I'm going to click on create. So I've already created 2 of them yesterday to test this out. Now for this one, I'm going to just click on create so that you can see what the process is like. I'm going to give it a name, call it McDonald's Handbook. Let's fix this right here, McDonald's Handbook 2.0. And then where it says file attached, this is where we want to start uploading files. So I can do that by clicking on add files right next to the rubbish bin icon. So click on add files and I'm going to simply click on upload, and I'm going to go to recent and I'm going to choose the file from yesterday. So McDonald's right here, open, and here I have it uploading. So we've got the file, which is the name, the size, and uploaded, the status. So right now it's uploading. We'll just wait for this to finish. And as you can see, we've got the size, which is 4 megabytes, uploaded on the date and time, and the name of the file itself. Now you can upload as many as you want. You can upload 100, you can upload 1,000. This is what makes it so powerful. Now from here, all you want to click to is attach, and done. You have now created it. Now all you gotta do, just give it a second for it to save. I'm gonna refresh this, and as you can see, we've got McDonald's Handbook 2.0, all the information and the file attached. And that's how you would create your first one vector stores and how you would upload the files that you would like to reference in your agent. So now we're here in PMGPT, and I am in the AI agents section. Now what I want to do is I want to create a new agent. I'll do it by clicking this button right here. Now for the name, I'm going to name something really simple like McDonald's 2.0 right here, Handbook 2.0. Now you can fill the rest out however you wish or how you need it to be. For this example, I'll keep it short and straight to the point. So AI agent name is McDonald's Handbook 2.0. Then I'm going to head over to AI settings. And right here, I'm going to choose the provider as OpenAI. That's very important. Now, you can choose any of the models that you wish. For this one, I'll just choose 5.1. And then because I want it to be quick, the response detail level will be low and the thinking effort will be none. So no reasoning, which is the fastest. Perfect. So from here, we're going to go over to prompt engineering, and we want to scroll down until we see system prompt. There's a drop down, knowledge base right here. Now here's where you want to connect external vector stores, right? Connect vector stores from your OpenAI account to give your AI access to additional knowledge bases with 100 to 1,000 plus files. Massive, right? So we'll simply click on this and I'll choose the one right here. As you can see, I've got the previous ones that I set up there as well. McDonald's Handbook 2.0. Perfect. So now I've selected it. All I want to do now is go to my system prompt, and I can either choose to have this from a Google Doc or text. By the way, Google Doc, absolutely incredible. You can update it and everything. Yeah? Pulls it immediately. Incredible. But for this one, we'll have something super simple. We'll just say you are a assistant for the McDonald's Handbook. Answer the user's questions based on the vector file attached. Simple as that. Now just generate or create an agent. As you can see, it's right here. All right, so now that we have it here, all we have to do is just preview it. Now I have the PDF open so we can see that number 9 is interviewing skills under contents, right? So we'll test it like that. So what you can do is you can simply click on preview, have it show up. The welcome message is going to be generic because I haven't set that one up to be specifically for this. But for this one, we're going to ask something simply like, who are you? And I should pull it from the knowledge base, simply saying there's an AI assistant for McDonald's Handbook, etc., etc. And then we're going to ask, what is number 9 of the content of the book? Okay, perfect. So it's giving us information of McDonald's Handbook. Amazing. So we'll say, what is number 9 under content? I should say interviewing skills, if I can remember correctly. Yeah, interviewing skills. So let's say what it says. Boom, interviewing skills. Pull it directly from the file that is in our vector stores. Isn't that absolutely crazy? Now we can say something like, okay, great. I need help. Someone has dropped the patties and is not discarding them. Let me fix that spelling right here. So now let's see if it pulls it from the manual I don't think they have a specific exactly for this case, but they have like an overall like general health hazard, I believe, section in the book. So let's have a look and see what the response was. So right now it's pulling from the vector, it's looking through everything, it's trying to generate a response based off that and says, you're right to be concerned. This is a health and food safety. To do this right now, stop the food being served, calmly but clearly say something like those pellets touch the floor, right? Incredible. So it's giving all of this to us right now. Let's see if we can find something specifically. Okay, let's try this. 3 key self-management skills. Wow, okay. What are the 3 key self-management skills? And let's see what it says. So it should be initiative, organization, or accountability. If it pulls, we know exactly that it's initiative, organization, accountable. Boom, mic drop right there. So yeah, you can upload as many as you need, right? This is one of the biggest advantages. You straight up just go over, you create your vector, and you upload the files you wanted to reference. Simply go back to your PayMeGPT account on your dashboard, set up your AI agent, make sure that you're using the right API key, right? So by default, I believe we have, if you have not connected any AI keys, we have one already for you. And I believe that's the PMG one that we looked at a little earlier. No, that's voice. Yeah, settings, OpenAI. It's this first one here. PayMeG stream latest chat only. And I believe that comes with it. If you try and use this, it probably will not work. You will need to use your own API key. You can do that simply by going over to settings, integrations, and then simply connecting your API key here. Yeah. Once you've connected your API key, that is from here, this account, you can go over to your AI agents. And then when you're setting up your AI agent or creating it under AI providers, you choose any of the other models that you have access to. And then you will be able to see under prompt engineering, knowledge base, connect external vector stores. You'll be able to see the list of vectors that you have readily available to use. And that's how you would use this. Now, I hope this video was helpful. I hope they showed you exactly how to set up your vector stores in OpenAI's dashboard, how to set up your AI agent and select the vector stores that you had set up for your AI agent, also how you can test it, and if you have not connected your API key, where you can do that. Thanks so much for watching this video, and keep an eye open for more videos. Have a fantastic rest of your day. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.